everyone, this is Nikhil Marathe, member of ALEC. Welcome you all in the fourth video session of Artists in Action. Today I am going to teach you negative sketching. So let's start.
Hello friends, first of all, what is negative sketching? Negative sketching is just doing opposite of a normal draw. When it is dark part, draw light, and when it is light part, draw dark. It is kind like negative of film. You can draw it in black and white or in color, but in color is it very difficult to draw. This kind of sketching much harder than it looks because we have to do proper shading part and blending part. Any type of mistake can easily affect your final work, but when you finish it, you will definitely satisfied what you did. It is kind of magic when you saw this by using the negative camera. So let's start. The image we are drawing today is the Batman which I downloaded from internet. The image which I downloaded is in positive form. We have to convert it into negative form. For that I am using PicsArt. You can use other apps also. There are many apps available on Play Store. Simply first convert it into negative and then start sketching. If you are beginner, then I recommend it to draw by using grid. For grid also there are many apps available on Play Store. You can easily download it. By using app, I made a 3x6 grid formation. After the grid formation done, we have to start sketching. So first of all, draw outlines by using HB pencils, which is very light and hard, and it can be easily erased. Grid is very helpful for perfect outline and detail sketching. It is also very time consuming. Like this, we are going to sketch the outline of Batman's face. Here I am completed making outline. The outline is ready. Now we have to darken the outline. So I am going to darken it by using 4B pencil. It is darker than the HB pencil. It is good to use the different grades of pencil for different purposes. It helps to make the realistic sketch. Like this I am completed the final outline. Now I am doing the shading work. For this I am using Apsara extra dark pencil, which is very soft pencil, which helps to do smooth shading. Next step of the sketching is blending. Basically for blending, there are blending tools are available in market like blending sticks. If you don't have blending tool, then you can use earbuds and tissue paper. Earbuds for smaller part and tissue paper for bigger parts. The exactly same work is done by earbuds. You can also use cotton cloth for blending, but I recommended never use your finger for blending. The effect of using finger for blending that I will be explaining you at the end of the video. Similarly, we are going to completing our blending part. For extra dark area I am going to use 10B pencil. It is very soft pencil. For sharpening the 10B pencil I recommend you to use cutter or blade. Always use tissue paper or kind of cotton cloth below your hand for avoiding smudging. As I told in the starting of this video, wherever in sketch if you need darker part then draw light, and if you need lighter part draw it dark. Again, for smaller outline I am using HB pencil. Sometimes you need not to use pencil for shading. There is some amount of graphite on blending stick which used for the shading part. Like this I am directly using earbud for blending. You can see how perfect blending it is. Here our upper part and the mask part is completed. Now we are sketching the chin part of Batman. I always used to draw in circular motion to form a tiny interfacing circle which create one continuous tone. For detailing purpose you can also use mechanical pencil. 0.5 mm and 0.7 mm mechanical pencil are good for detailing. So here we are almost completed our Batman. So here I am doing some extra finishing touches, and here our Batman is ready. We can see the negative image of the sketch by using the negative camera filter of the mobile. And now it's time for background. As the background is a bigger part, it can be very time consuming. For reducing the time, we can use charcoal powder. If you don't have charcoal powder, then simply use by using cutter or blade, get some graphite from 10B or 8B pencil as it is so very soft. So like this we are completing our background. This technique makes easier to shade the bigger parts. So here is the final sketch. Let's see this using the negative camera. Here is the negative image. This is the final negative image of sketch. Here are some of my negative sketchings. First is Kratos. For detailing I use here mechanical pencils 0.7 mm and 0.5 mm. This is negative sketch of original image. Let's see this image by using negative camera. This is inverted image. Here is in sketching. It is hard to make the portrait in small size. Again let's see this image by using negative camera. This is negative image. So here is the reason why we are not use finger for blending. I shade two areas by using the same pencils. First by using finger blending. Look at the result. And second one is of earbud blending. You can easily spot the difference. If you don't have different grade pencils, then you can use single pencil as different shades. Here I am using 2B pencil. Firstly the darkest part. It is known as tripod top grip. By using the large length of pencil, it is known as extended tripod or bottom grip. Here is the result. Always use to blend the part in circular motion for perfect blending and smooth blending. Here are some grades of pencil which usually used for the sketching. First is HB pencil, which is hard pencil and it is light in shade. So next one is 3H pencil, which is little bit darker than first one. It is mainly used for outline and the light part shading. Next one is 2B pencil, which is darker pencil which will be used for eyebrows and eyelashes. This is 4B pencil. I mainly use this pencil for hairs, some detailing parts like I mainly use these pencils for eyeball. Next one is 6B. It's a darker pencil than 4B. Darker shade. Here is HB pencil, which is very dark, which used for hairs and most of the darkest part like it is like a charcoal. And at the end, this is 10B pencil, darkest pencil, which I am used for hairs.
Thank you for watching. I hope you all like this video. Do follow our Insta page ml2_alek